In next 5 minutes, I will show you a complete life cycle of germinating long bean seed. Let's see the full process of how to germinate long bean seed very quickly. And that's the fastest and easiest method. To germinate long bean seed, at first you have to collect some seed pack. In this video, I want to use paper towel method. For growing long bean seed in paper towel method, at first you have to wet them or moist the seeds for at least 10 hours. After moisturizing seed for 10 hours, it's time to set up them in paper towel. For this task, just remove the water and set all the seeds into a cotton cloth or paper towel. Before starting the process, wet those towel and add a little bit of water. Then fold it and cover it in a plastic jar. Within next 48 hours, your long bean seeds will be germinated. This is after 48 hours. Let's see what's the situation. You can see all the seeds are perfectly germinated. You can notice the white color root. These seeds are prepared for planting. In this time, you can plant them directly into your garden. On other hand, if you want to grow some small seedlings in some separate small pots, then it will be better for transplanting them wherever you want. So let's plant them into some small pots. For planting long bean in a small pot, you have to fulfill a good quality of soil preparation. For preparing this soil, I mix 70% of garden soil and 30% of organic compost. Then place all the seeds into these small pots. In planting time, ensure that the root area of the seed must be under the soil and the soil surface will be visible from the upper side. Just make a small hole and put the seed into the soil. When you complete the plantation of seed, then water them regularly. Water long bean seedlings for at least once in a day. Don't water it too much. Now let's see the growth update after day 5. That's the footage after day 5. And you can see all the seeds are perfectly converting into young seedlings. Within next 4 to 5 days, these seedlings will be prepared for transplantation. Ensure full sunlight in this stage. This will strong your plant from young age. So let's see the growth update after day 10. After day 10, our seedlings are already prepared. In this time, you can plant them on anywhere you want. You can plant them on container or you can also plant them in a open area on your yard. Thanks for watching the full video.